Hey Art Smarties, in celebration of Earth Day this week, we are going to be doing nature-inspired art. What that means for you is that you really only need materials that you can find in nature. We're going to be looking at some examples from artist and photographer Andy Goldsworthy and use his ideas as inspiration for our own artwork. Andy Goldsworthy is what's known as an environmental artist, meaning he works outside in nature in the environment. He uses leaves, rocks, sticks, and many other found materials. Boys and girls, even though we're using pieces from nature, please make sure that a grown-up gives you permission to gather any of the things that you're gathering. For example, you don't want to pick your mom's tulips that might be blooming, okay? So get permission. In fact, it might be fun to do this activity with a parent. All right, let's see what I found. I found a bunch of twigs, some pine needles, some pine cones, a ton of dandelions, some rocks, and some tree blossoms. So, what can I make? I can make circles. I can make circles inside of circles. I can add details. I can make repeating patterns. I may choose to make my sticks smaller. I can make a face with eyes and a mustache. I can make letters. I can make words. So boys and girls, as you can see, this type of art, environmental art, is definitely temporary. So once you make your artwork, please take a picture of it and send it to me on your Google Classroom, on Class Dojo, or by email so I can see what you did.